In this project, we'll be creating a Twitter clone called UChat, and it's going to be written completely in Rust. Being a Twitter clone, we have the core Twitter features such as retweets, posting images and texts, polls, following other users, bookmarks, editing and viewing profiles, and things like that. Rust is powering both the backend and the front end. On the backend, we'll be creating an API along with serving static files, managing uploaded user data, and working with the database. On the front end, we'll be compiling our application into a WASM bundle. Now, WASM bundle is then served and loaded in the browser. What you're looking at right now is a single page application that's all Rust code running completely in the browser. Let's take a quick tour of what we're going to be building. So this is just the login page. I didn't do anything too fancy. We can switch between creating accounts and logging up. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. Named it test. I'm going to log in with the password. You can see we do have real-time feedback with the password. And you can apply different rules that you want for the passwords. I just have, must be at least 8 characters. So once we log in, here's our main page. Now we have the navigation bar at the top. We can click on our profile. We can edit our profile. We can view it. We can check our bookmarked posts. We can log out. We can check our liked posts, any saved posts. We can go to the home page, which would kind of be like what's trending. And also, if you're following somebody, you're going to see the posts that you're following if they have any posts from there. We can also jump straight to the trending page and see any trending posts. There's nothing trending right now because I haven't made anything. We'll go back and we'll also check out the edit profile. So on our edit profile, we can change our profile image. Let's change it to these leaves. We can change our display name, our email address, and we can update our password. The password does check to confirm that they do match and that it follows our other rules that we've applied for passwords. The password rules are applied globally across the entire application. So the backend and the front end are all following the same password rules. So if you change it in one location, everything across the entire application will update. We'll submit that real quick. We can see we have our profile updated, our image changed, and we'll make a quick post. So we can make polls, and the polls, they make sure that we don't have too many characters, and we have to have at least one character, and we can add and remove different poll options. And if we switch this over to an image, all we can do is we can upload an image. Like we can upload this rabbit, and we can optionally have a caption, and we can also just post a message. We'll just say, hello from Rust. And so we post it, and we'll hop onto the trending page, and here are all the posts that are in the database now. And we can bookmark the posts, like it, dislike it. We can reply to the post. Then once we reply, then it'll show up to anybody who's following you. And we can also retweet it. So again, if someone's following you, then they're going to see this retweeted post in their feed when they go to the homepage. And so that was just a quick tour of the application. As you imagine, there is a lot of room for improvement in terms of features that you can add. Like you can put direct messages, or you can have different algorithms for trending and different things like that. For my trending algorithm, I'm just doing a simple most recent posts because I like to see the most recent things. But of course, if you want to integrate your own things, you could do that as well. And this concludes the brief tour of the project. I'm excited to get started, and I'll see you in the next one.